and good morning everyone. Welcome to all of you in mathematics class. Dear students, in previous class we had discussed about the topic criteria for similarity of triangles, and also we were solving some problems of exercise 6.3. Today I am going to proceed with question number 4 of exercise 6.3. Firstly, let's quickly recap what will you learn in previous day. In previous day, a statement of Thales theorem, our basic proportionality theorem, converse of Thales theorem, criteria for similarity of triangles such as angle, corollary of angle, and side, and side angle, side. This sense. Now, I am going to start exercise 6.3 with question number 4. In given figure, QR by QS equal to QT by PR and angle 1 equal to 2 given. So prove that PQS similar to triangle TQR. Dear friends, QR by QS equal to QT by PR given. By cross multiplication, QT by QR, QT into QS equal to QR into PR by cross multiplication. So QT by QR equal to PR by QS. And angle 1 equal to 2. In triangle PQR, 1 equal to 2. That means side opposite to equal angles are equal. So PR equal to PQ. From first, TQ by QR equal to PR by QS and PR equal to PQ. So from first and second, QT by QR and PR equal to PQ. So PQ by QS. By again cross multiplication, PQ by Q2 equal to QS by QR and PQ by Q2 equal to QS by QR. Now in triangle PQS and TQR, PQ by QT equal to QS by QR, and this angle is common in both. So PQS equal to TQR equal to Q. So side, both triangles are similar. Is this clear? And next question is, S and R are points on side PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P equal to angle TRS. 1 minute. Angle P equal to RTS so that triangle RPQ similar to RTS. This sense, in triangle RPQ and triangle RTS, angle RPQ equal to angle RTS given and angle PRQ equal to TRS common. Therefore, triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS by angle similarity proved. Here given P equal to TRS. In triangle RPQ, angle P equal to TRS. Sorry, P equal to RTS, not RTS. And R equal to R common in both. So, triangle RPQ similar to RTS by angle. Dear students, again explain of this question. Given that angle S and T are the points on side PR and QR of triangle PQR, such that angle P equal to angle RTS, so that triangle RPQ equal to RTS. Given in triangle RPQ and RTS, RPQ equal to RTS and R equal to R common, so both triangle are similar by angle. Next question is, and next question 8. Dear students, ABCD is a parallelogram. E is a point on the side AD. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD, and BE intersected CD at F, so that triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. This sense, in triangle ABE and triangle CFB, angle AEB, in triangle AEB equal to CBF, alternate interior angle. So AEB equal to angle CBF, alternate interior angles, and angle A equal to angle C, opposite angles of parallelogram are same. So, triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB by angle similarity. It is clear? Given that ABCD is a parallelogram, E is a point on a side AD produced of parallelogram ABCD, and BE intersected at CD at point F, so triangle AEB to prove equal to similar to triangle CFB. Since this angle alternate interior angles and this angle opposite angles of parallelogram, so both triangles are similar by angle similarity. So dear students, today's class is over and your homework is do question number 1 to 8 of exercise 6.3. Thanks, have a nice day.